Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make cheesy scalloped potatoes. Scalloped potatoes are one of my favorite side dishes. They are total comfort food, and this recipe is my absolute favorite. To start, you'll need to peel 4 russet potatoes. And it's important that they're russet potatoes because different potatoes have different levels of starchiness, and russets are the perfect for scalloped potatoes. Next, you'll need to thinly slice your potatoes, and the easiest way to do that is with a mandoline, which is what I'm using, but you could also just use a sharp knife. It doesn't really matter if you use a knife or a mandoline as long as the potatoes are sliced nice and thin. Then transfer all of your sliced potatoes to a large mixing bowl. Next, you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, and you'll pour that over the top of your sliced potatoes. Then we'll sprinkle in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm gonna grab some tongs and give this a toss. Just kind of mix it around. You want all of the potato slices to be evenly coated and all of those seasonings to be evenly distributed. Then we'll transfer this to a 9x9 or 2-quart baking dish. You just wanna kind of spread this out so that everything is evenly layered. Now you can bake this just as it is right now, but what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese on top. You really can't go wrong with a little bit more cheese. Next, we're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour. Once your potatoes are tender, you are ready to eat. Super simple and super delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.